Assalamualaikum, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can you model a square spring and CREO parametric. So without any delay in video, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. So let's start it. What I should do first, come to helical sweep. Here select a proper plane. Sketch on it, make it normal, and this time what I should do, I'm going to draw a line of such kind. Also draw a center line over here and just say OK. Now come to pen icon, again draw a line from here till here and say OK. Now it asked me geometry that you are making would be extruded the surface, so I will say OK. Can you see? And just confirm it for now. Now come to standard view. Let me switch on all the item planes. I will create a plane parallel to this plane at a certain distance. Again I will sketch on this plane, make it normal. This time I will draw center rectangle such kind and say OK. Come to extrude, keep it as a mid plane and just drag it up to here and just say OK. Let me switch off all the item planes, but do one thing over here, that this extrusion must be as a sheet metal. Now once you do this, now select the both objects and come to intersect. Now let me hide this for now and also this helical sweep for now. Now what to do, come to sweep, select the square helical, come to pen icon, make it normal and draw a profile that you want to extrude and just save it. So the part is done. Just look in preview and confirm it. Say OK. So this is how you can make a square spring inside CREO parametric. Let me assign some color for now. Appearance, search for steel, and this is perfect right now. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching.